Prithu's courageous son, would not stand by. Guided by the wise sage Atri, he pursued the thief. Yet when he caught up, he hesitated, seeing only a peaceful hermit. Indra vanished, leaving the horse behind. The people hailed the prince as Vijitashva, the conqueror of the horse thief. Still not content, Indra struck again, shrouding the Yagnyashala in darkness and stealing the horse once more, along with its golden chain. Once again disguised as a sadhu, he fooled the people. Once again, Vijitashva, incited by Atri, pursued. This time he unleashed his arrows, but Indra escaped, dropping the horse. These repeated deceptions planted a poisonous seed in the world. The Pashandi garb, once a divine ruse, became a popular mask. Hypocrites arose, false saints who mimicked holiness, and the line between truth and deceit began to blur. Dharma trembled under this cloak of illusion. Prithu's anger boiled over. He raised his bow, ready to confront Indra himself. But the Ritviks, guardians of ritual purity, intervened. "You must not slay as a sacrificer," they warned. "We will summon Indra and offer him as a sacrifice in the sacred fire." As they prepared the invocation, Brahma descended from the heavens, radiating serene wisdom. "Stop," he said. "This is not right. Indra is an avatar of Narayana. He acts out the divine play, though clouded now by ego." He continued, "Indra's disguise has given rise to deceit, but your anger will destroy your inner balance. You too are an avatar of Narayana. Should not divine forms work in harmony? Let go of this wrath. Completion of the 100th Yagnya is not in the ritual alone, but in the intent. We shall consider it fulfilled." Prithu heard these words. He let go of his anger. His bow lowered. Indra, moved by the king's grace and ashamed of his own pettiness, came forward and fell at Prithu's feet. The king of earth embraced the king of heaven, restoring divine harmony. Years passed. The great King Prithu, now older and wise with time, renounced his throne. With his wife Akis and his sons, he wandered across the holy lands, seeking truth beyond power. At last, knowing his time had come, he settled in a forest hermitage, embracing yogic peace. When he shed his mortal form, Akis followed him, joining her beloved on the funeral pyre in supreme devotion. Thus ends the tale of Prithu, a king who adopted the earth as his daughter, for which she came to be known as Prithvi.